The Paraffin Wax Machine helps to soften skin and aid in healing problems. It is effective in soothing and softening calluses on hands and feet, and healing dry, cracked skin. So, we came up with the 5 best paraffin wax machines that will help to moisturize your skin while providing a heat therapy for muscles. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Enjoy a hydrating and deep exfoliating spa at home while soothing your painful muscles with the Ejiubas Paraffin Wax Machine. It's made of a smooth composite exterior and durable metal interior and a large open door design for sufficient room to dip hands, feet, or elbows. In just 20 minutes, the wax is ready to use, and also the temperature can be easily controlled. This paraffin wax machine comes with a spatula, brush, feet thermal mitts, hand thermal mitts, glove liners, heat insulated grid, thermometer, and 5 pieces of paraffin wax. The warm paraffin wax tightly contacts with your skin. It slowly releases its stored heat on your skin, and the heat penetrates deep into your muscles and joints, effectively relieving any discomfort, tension, and soreness while making your skin soft and smooth. The Ejiubas Paraffin Wax Machine is very popular among users, and it comes with good user responses. According to the reviews, the users love the outcome of the spa at home. It eases painful muscles and provides hydrated skin. Though the machine heats up quickly, but is cheaply made, and also according to some, it's not worth it. Let's rate this paraffin wax machine now. If you're looking for an ideal combination of high performance and convenient design that is ideal for treatments at home or the salon, the Salon Sundry Portable Electric Hot Paraffin Wax is the right choice for you. It has a power button and variable temperature controls that allow for fast wax meltdown and the ability to set to desired temperature preference for complete comfort and a luxurious spa experience. It has a composite grill for use in the bottom of the tank to protect the heating surface, while integrated handles on the side of the unit provide safe and easy handling. It is specially designed to be large and open for sufficient room to dip hands, feet, or elbows. The Salon Sundry Portable Electric Hot Paraffin Wax is available on Amazon with great user responses. The users are satisfied with the performance of this paraffin wax machine. It's big enough to get a whole foot in there, though a few users complain that the price is much higher than the other paraffin wax machines. Let's rate this product. If you're looking for a solution to dry skin, signs of aging, and sun damage on your hands, the Conair True Glow Thermal Paraffin Bath is the right choice for you. This portable and compact paraffin bath helps to deeply exfoliate and hydrate spa treatments. It comes with 1 pound of unscented paraffin wax that soothes and softens your hands, nails, cuticles, heels, elbows, and more. The warmth of thermal paraffin revitalizes rough, hard heels in minutes while deeply moisturizing for baby soft results. The Conair True Glow Thermal Paraffin Bath is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the users, this wax machine is great for home treatments. It relieves pain while adding moisture to your hand. But a few users complain that this machine takes way too long to melt the wax and is too small for adult feet. Time to check out the ratings. Our next favorite paraffin wax machine is the HoMedics ParaSpa plus Paraffin Bath that has the ability to turn your skin into baby soft. It comes with 3 pounds of paraffin wax and 20 disposable hand liners for multiple at-home treatments. The green indicator light illuminates when the wax is ready for use, so it's never too hot or cold. And it also has locking lid, and it acts as a safety barrier and securely protects against splashing or spilling. Its hypoallergenic wax and gentle heat helps to hydrate and soothe your skin while soothing tired muscles. The HoMedics ParaSpa plus Paraffin Bath is available on Amazon with lots of user reviews and ratings. The users are in love with this device as soft skin is noticeable within days. It also relieves from arthritis, though, besides thousands of positive reviews, some users complain the temperature is hard to control and is not worth the money. Now let's rate this product. The Revlon Moisturizing Paraffin Bath is our today's top pick for today's video. It lets you have beautiful, glowing, and healthier looking skin. It has an indicator with 5-point scale that is labeled to run from keep warm to high. This moisturizing bath melts wax gently and is ready when the indicator light starts to glow. It can help remove dry surface skin from hands, elbows, and feet. The paraffin wax machine comes with 3 pounds of rain-scented wax, 2 thermal mitts, and 30 plastic glove liners. This paraffin wax really works like magic on your skin, and it's great for painful hands. The Revlon Moisturizing Paraffin Bath is one of the highest selling paraffin wax machines, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. The reviews say it all. This wonderful product is highly recommended by the users. It helped to heal arthritis hands, though few people complain the paraffin wax is heavily scented. It's time to rate this paraffin wax machine. Those were our top 5 paraffin wax machines. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.